everyone! Welcome back to our channel! Today we are going to make Hong Kong style mango pancakes. The first time we had these pancakes was after we went to Great America last year. Remember? After we went to Great America, we spent a whole day there. We were super hot and went to a dessert place after, and we got these pancakes and we were so addicted to them that we decided to make them at home. This is not my original recipe. I adapted this recipe from someone else. I will link their original recipe below down in the description box. Well, so without further ado, do you guys want to get started?
Yes.
There's quite a lot of measuring to do today, so they're going to be putting their math skills to the test. Ready?
I don't
Ready
like
for math?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
Hooray!
Okay, Sophie, can I have you help me measure out 50 grams of all-purpose flour? So we have all-purpose flour here. Can you measure out 50 grams on this scale?
Okay.
And now we need to measure out 30 grams of custard powder. I know custard powder is not something everybody has in their pantry, especially during quarantine, so you can't substitute this with 30 grams of cornstarch. The reason why I like custard powder is because it will give the batter a yellow color, which will look beautiful against the mangoes. But you can go ahead and use cornstarch if you don't have this ingredient. Okay, so Sophie, we need 30 grams. Okay, and now we need 25 grams of powdered sugar. Savannah, help me sift this. So we're going to take this and then help me tap the side like this.
Okay.
And the reason we want to sift this is because we want the batter to be very, very smooth. If there are clumps in this batter, you'll definitely see it in the pancake. Grab the spoon and you can go ahead and break that up. And that will help kind of get all the last break out those clumps like this. Now we need to beat 3 eggs. You're going to use your finger, crack the side of the egg on the side of the bowl or on the table, okay?
Okay.
Give a nice little crack, and then you're going to hold your hand on both sides and open. Like
Very easy.
Okay? So, you want to try this one?
I want to try.
You can try a different time, okay? This takes a little bit more hand-eye coordination.
Whoops.
Perfect. Now, get both sides. There you go. Perfect. Take the whisk, and then you're just going to, here, holding your hand, and let's break the yolk first. Okay. Okay. And then you're going to gently whisk it like this. Very gently.
Okay. It turns into magic after you beat it and mix it.
Yeah, and the best way to get air is if you lift it up a little bit like this. This is the easier way to get some air in. We don't have to beat it too thoroughly, just lightly beat, it's okay. Okay?
I know.
This is going to go into a batter.
Into the batter you go.
Into the batter it goes.
Okay,
And
this time is inside the batter.
I need you to help me measure out 250 milliliters of milk. This one goes up to 150. So if you put in 150, we need 240. How many more do you need after?
90.
Perfect. Yep. Okay, so first let's get 150 milliliters.
Okay.
Put that in there.
I wanted to put in.
In you go. Wow.
And then you can put it next, okay?
And it. Now we're very aggressive.
Okay.
Oh, too aggressive.
And then we're going to just whisk this up. Okay, so this is looking pretty good, right? We got most of the lumps out. It's pretty nice. It's pretty smooth.
I see all of them.
We're going to now run it through a sieve one more time. Can you hold the sieve for me? Hold it steady, okay? Both hands. Hold it steady. I am going to run this through the sieve into that bowl.
That is for
to
step.
make sure we have a smooth batter.
Savannah, hold it up.
Hold it up, hold it up.
I don't have that much weight if you do that.
This was barely any weight.
You can see we still got a lot of clumps from the batter. You see that? If we left this in the batter, we would have a very clumpy batter, right? A clumpy pancake. So that's why I want to run everything through a sieve. We actually forgot to put in some butter. We needed 2 teaspoons of butter, so I put this in right here. I have this crepe maker here that I got recently. Yeah, and I did a whole review on this. You can I'll link that video right here, somewhere on top that you can click and see how this works. The reason I like this machine is you're able to make a pancake really quickly and make sure that's really thin and it's pretty uniform.
Yeah.
There we go. Here we go.
1, 2.
3.
Okay.
Here is the plate.
Here's the plate, and here we go. Second batter. I want to come off.
It's different.
It is hot. Okay, now we're going to make the whipped cream, then cut the mangoes and assemble our mango pancakes. So first we need to make some whipped cream. Sophie, can you help me measure out 300 milliliters of heavy whipping cream?
Get in there.
And then we're going to do a splash of vanilla, just like a teaspoon.
That's what you mean?
And then, Savannah, do you want to beat this?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you're looking for is stiff peaks, which is like this. You see how it stands up? That's stiff peaks. And I didn't add any sugar into this whipped cream on purpose because the pancakes are sweet. The mangoes are very ripe, so they'll be really sweet. So I don't think I need any more sweetness in here. But if you're using a less sweet fruit, or if you just prefer your dessert to be sweeter, feel free to add a sugar into your whipped cream. You guys want to lick this?
Yes.
While the kids are licking their whipped cream, I'm going to cut the mango. I prefer to do this part because it requires a little bit of skill and I don't want them to cut themselves. So I'm going to slice the mango like this. This is very nice and ripe mango.
Oh, the mango looks so mango-like.
So mango-like? I hope it looks mango-like. And then I'm just going to cut this into a square. It'll be easier to stuff if it's in a shape like this. And I'm just going to peel this right off.
This was me this whole time.
She's being a singer. Very awkward singer.
Okay. Now you can see I now have a pretty easy to work with piece of mango. And just cut the skin off. And now slice this in two. And each piece will go into one mango pancake. More mango. Hey, don't eat the skin, honey. I'll slice this off for you. So we're gonna get a piece of pancake. So we want to do there's a yellow side, another side with some brown spots on there. You want to put yellow side down. Okay, so that way the pretty side is down. Yep, here we go. That. And now
That one looks perfectly fine.
we're going to get a dollop of whipped cream on the bottom of the pancake. You want it to be about the size of your mango. Okay. Watch out. I'm gonna take one piece of mango. Take one.
I take this one. Oh no! I almost dropped the
Piece of
mango.
And
Watch out.
that
Put it
one.
on top.
Mango.
Put it on top. And now we're going to fold over one side.
It's like sushi.
Yeah, fold over this side, this side.
This
That
is
side.
sushi.
Okay. And then fold over the other side. This side.
Looks like a burrito kind of.
Good. Get it pretty tight. Okay, you
It
wanna.
looks like a sushi.
Okay.
It looks like some
And
kind
then
of Chinese food.
Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay. Really nice and tight. And then fold the bottom part up.
Knew
And
it.
then fold the other part over. And then flip it over. And you have a mango pancake. We're just
That
gonna
is
kind of
adorable.
move the whipped cream around so it's nice and fills every spot.
That's
There is 1, 2. Good job.
This little pillow.
There's
These little
these.
pillows
Nice.
are super cute.
Yeah, they do look
Oh,
like little
careful.
pillows. They look like.
And should we cut it open and try?
Yeah.
Alright, let's cut this open and give it a try.
I don't want to
Here's
just
Savannah's. Ready?
Yeah.
What does it look like? Ooh, that look good?
Yeah.
Do you remember eating these?
Yes.
I forgot.
There's
I think I
another one.
ordered
I
that.
don't
I think I
remember.
ordered that at like Sweet Honey Desserts a lot,
Yeah.
most times.
Here you go. A piece for you. Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm. They're good?
Mm-hmm.
They would do a good job? Mm. Are you going to eat all of this?
Mm-hmm.
Probably, huh? Okay. And that's it, you guys. Wasn't that so easy? These desserts are so yummy. They're very light and fluffy and airy with a hint of sweetness. Was this a success? Are you going to eat that piece too? Okay, do you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Goodbye.
Thank you so much for watching.
Just
We'll
leave
see you
a
next time.
like if you make this and you like it when you tried it.
Yeah, yes, what she said. If you like this, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next week. Bye, everyone.
These are so yummy. You have to make them.
They are.
Mm-hmm.